Hey there! I just arrived in Vang Vieng yesterday and yeah, had a little bit of a rough night, so still recovering, and that's why we went to this beautiful lagoon to have some fun today. So that was really fun, and now we're heading back to Vang Vieng. Maybe go to another party tonight, I'm not too sure yet, but I think I'll see you guys tomorrow. Just, you know, casually chilling on the rooftop of a tuk-tuk. I took a little break from vlogging for the last few days. I actually did the tubing in Vang Vieng, which is basically just getting drunk on a river. Like, you rent a tube and then you let yourself float on the river and stop at some bars to drink. Yeah, that was quite fun. I'm gonna show you a few clips. So I actually got a little sick after that, and that's why I was chilling for the last few days. But now I'm quite alright. I'm in Vientiane, which is the capital of Laos, and yeah, I'm at a Buddha park. There's some nice Buddha statues everywhere. So this Buddha park is around 1 hour outside of Vientiane, and it costs a little bit of entry fee, but I think it's definitely worth checking out.